Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to play the prop hunt in Call of Duty Mobile. Okay, as you can see, when you load up your Call of Duty Mobile game over here, it will be showing you this over here. So just need to tap and continue over there, and then make sure that you level up on each and everything. But guys, what you have to note is that the prop hunt on Call of Duty Mobile is only periodically available. Okay, so when it's not yet available, you need to be waiting for it to be available. So for my case over here, I'm in the gameplay mode over here, and I'm trying to access some weapons so that I can play the prop hunt over here. Okay, so I'll just come and set up all this over here. I just need to be following the instruction they give me over here, and I'll be good to go. And then another thing is that guys, you need to make sure that you have enough internet connection on your phone to be able to play this game over here, because if you don't have enough internet connection, even if you're playing any kind of mod, it won't be working for you. And remember guys, the prop hunt Call of Duty mobile game and the mod requires you to be having some good internet connection. Okay, so right now I'm just equipping myself with some small things over here, and then after that I'll be able to join the gameplay mode. Okay, so I just come here to multiplayers over here, and as you can see, this is my player over there. So after selecting my player, when the mod and the season is now available, I'll be able to play the prop hunt Call of Duty mobile. So guys, I hope this information was helpful for you. If so, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet in the next video once again.